I'm up here at Binna Burra, a lodge, and I'm about to do the Coomera Circuit. So I got everything ready to go here. Got a litre and a half of water, got a spare shirt, got some snacks. Yep, I'm ready to go. I'm just going to turn my phone on for the Topo maps, and I'm going to head up over that path up there. Okay, so stay tuned. Just the beginning. Yeah, waterfall. Let's see. It must be around 20 minutes or so. But I wanted to show you this. Oh, look at this. Now that's a cliff of no return right there. Look at that. Alright. That means we have to focus. Some of the obstacles here. Yep. Okay. Alright, here we go. Simple track. It's well worn. It's even got some steps in some places. Plenty of waterfalls. I don't want to get wet shoes. Okay, pay attention, slippery rocks. Look at the size of that thing. Oh my God. Coomera Falls. Oh wow, look at this. Oof. That's one heck of a waterfall. Alright, let's get going. We got some steps here. Look at that crayfish. Look at him. Let him. We're going to let him go. That's good eating right there. Yeah, I'm sorry, mate. Hey, he's got a hole he's going into. He's all the way up there. Look at this trail. Look how dark it is. I got my sunglasses on because they're prescription. I make it easy for you. Simple. Lot. Another waterfall there, look. Let's miss that. There's a little snake right there. I didn't get my camera out fast enough. So 17 kilometre, 2 hours 40 minutes. That was further and harder than I thought it was going to be. Oh, got my Solomons on, these ones. Changed my shirt halfway.